A friend asked if I could make a California shaped pendant, and I said, sure, of course I can. Let me make a couple samples and see how it goes. So I decided I was going to make a model in sterling silver made out of square stock, sterling silver wire. And I'm using Delrin pliers instead of metal pliers so I don't mar the metal. So this is my little drawing of California that I did, and I'm happy with this size. I'm soldering my joints that I scored for folding in nice clean corners to reinforce them so they don't break. I just cut the final detail of the West Coast into the edge of my pendant, and it's almost done. A few little tweaks and we'll be ready to go. Planning to mold my silver pendant of California, and after I mold it, I can cast it into any metal that I want. Gold, platinum, silver, rose gold, whatever you want.